mind, I just can't seem to find the reason to believe why I can break free. You see that I have been down for so long, feel like hope is gone, but as I lift my hands, I understand that I should praise Him through my circumstance. Take a shackles off my feet so I can dance. I just wanna praise You. I just wanna praise You. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Roll those chains so I can lift my hand. Yeah, and I'm gonna praise You, and I'm gonna praise You. Here we go. Through the fire and the rain, finding me and the way God has came and broke the chain. Let me go my way. Yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna praise Your holy name. You broke the, said You broke, said You, yeah, yeah, yeah. Here we go.
You're coming over, man, amiga, wanna tell you tonight. You're coming over, such a people coming over tonight. No matter, let me go, I just want to praise Him in the morning and the evening.